Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where Discord is not sending the 6-digit verification code to your phone. First, double-check the phone number you entered. Make sure the number is correct and that you selected the right country code. It's easy to accidentally mistype a digit or use an old number, and that alone can stop the code from arriving. If the number is correct and you still haven't received the code, try resending it. On desktop, you can click the Resend Code option below the code entry box. On mobile, you may need to restart the verification process from the beginning to trigger a new code. If you're adding or verifying your phone number on mobile, open the Discord app and tap your profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap the profile icon again to open settings, then select Account. Tap on Phone, enter your phone number, and tap Next. Make sure you're using a valid mobile number, not a landline or VoIP number, and that the country code is correct. When Discord sends the verification code, enter the 6-digit code in the Verify Your Number box and tap Verify. You may then be asked to enter your Discord password to confirm the change. Once verified, your phone number will appear in the Phone section of your account settings. If you're still not receiving codes after trying this, wait a few minutes before requesting another one and make sure your phone has a signal and can receive SMS messages. And that's how you fix Discord not sending the 6-digit verification code. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.